This road raging driver here is gonna hit the dashcam car and then get instant karma. He causes a crash on purpose, but let's rewind it and take it back to the beginning. It all started when he got honked at for driving like an idiot. For whatever reason, that one little honk triggered this extreme road rage. He chases and follows the dashcam driver down the highway.
Do it! Do it! Hit me! Hit me! Do it!
The road rager then drives very aggressively, almost hitting the dashcam car several times. I also want to point out all the damage to his car. Part of his bumper is missing, part of his window is smashed in. You can't have that much damage to your car and be a good driver. It's just not possible. That thing looks like it came out of the scrapyard. I wonder how many cars this road rager has gone through. He's about to destroy this one in a brilliant moment of road rage karma, all brought on by his own stupidity. So he speeds up to cut off the dashcam car, ends up pit maneuvering his own car, smashing into the highway barrier, completely destroying the front of his car. And after they pulled over, the road rager was scared and begged the dashcam driver to not show this footage to police. Of course he did, and the road rager was charged with reckless driving and lost his license. His actions had consequences that day.